Hi my dear children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Okay children, what we learned in the last class? Yes, we started a new lesson related to our Onam, isn't it? So the name of the lesson also Onam itself. In this lesson, we studied a story behind of Onam. Then I told you the Dhanush. The main character of this story is Dhanush and his grandfather. And one day Danish went to his grandfather's house and for what? For celebrating Onam. And during lunch time, he had a lot of delicious food and he told to his grandfather, "Oh grandfather, if it was Onam every day, we can eat this type of delicious food every day." Then grandfather told, "No my dear, only once in a year we are celebrating Onam, isn't it?" Then grandfather is going to start that story. He is going to start that story behind of Onam. So let us see. For that all of you take your textbook. We had completed the first page. Means page number 17 we already completed. I hope everyone read that page 5 times. And then all of you take page number 18. 17 completed. All of you take page number 18 and one pencil also. Then listen. I will read. You have to keep your finger on that sentence. Okay. प्राचीन काल में केरल में एक महाप्रतापी राजा हुआ करते थे. उनका नाम था महाबली. राजा महाबली महान और उदार थे. Yes, प्राचीन काल में. प्राचीन मतलब ancient time. In ancient times, Kerala was ruled by a king named Mahabali. Mahabali महान और उदार थे. He was very great and helpful man also. लेकिन एक बार उन्होंने देवताओं के राज्य को बलपूर्वक छीन लिया. जब राजा महाबली से देवतागण परेशान हो गए तो उन्होंने भगवान विष्णु से सहायता मांगी. As one day what happened? लेकिन एक बार उन्होंने देवताओं के राज्य but महाबली what he had did? But महाबली forcibly snatched the kingdom of goddesses from them. देवता लोगों की महाबली देवताओं के राज्य को बलपूर्वक महाबली forcibly snatched the kingdom of goddesses from them. महाबली से जब राजा महाबली से देवतागण परेशान हो गए तो उन्होंने भगवान विष्णु से सहायता मांगी. The goddesses become very unhappy because of this Mahabali's action. So they approached Lord Mahavishnu and they asked help from Mahavishnu. देवताओं की प्रार्थना सुनकर भगवान विष्णु ने वामन अवतार लिया. एक दिन वामन बलि की सभा में पहुंचे. महाबली ने श्रद्धा पूर्वक वामन जी का स्वागत किया और मनचाही वस्तु मांगने को कहा. Then that देवता लोग went to Lord Vishnu and they asked help from Mahavishnu. So देवताओं की प्रार्थना सुनकर by hearing the Lord Vishnu, for fulfill their wishes, Lord Vishnu turned into poor dwarf Vaman and he went to the Mahabali's kingdom. Mahabali ने श्रद्धापूर्वक वामन जी का स्वागत. Mahabali received Vamana with great respect and he told to Vamana, you can ask any gift. You can ask any gift. I will give you a gift. You can ask any gift. Okay. Then वामन ने राजा से दान में 3 पग भूमि मांग लिया. That वामन is too small. बहुत छोटा था. So वामन ने राजा से दान में 3 पग भूमि and he wished for a piece of land in the size of his 3 feet. He is too small and he asked only 3 feet land. 3 feet with 3 feet भूमि मांग ली. उदार महाबली ने स्वीकार कर लिया. Without any hesitation he grant his wish. Mahabali grant his wish. देन परंतु जैसे ही महाबली ने एक बेन वामन को दी, उनका आगर बढ़ता चला गया. What happened? But suddenly Vamana grew bigger in size. Then until his first, then what happened? उनका आगर बढ़ता चला गया. वामन ने एक पग में पूरी धरती को ही नाप डाला और दूसरे पग में आकाश को. And first, what happened? Until his first 2 steps, he covered the earth and sky. Then अब तीसरा पग रखने का स्थान नहीं बचा था. He covered but first 2 steps he covered the earth and sky, and there is no any space to put his third step. अब तीसरा पग रखने का स्थान नहीं बचा था. तब राजा महाबली ने अपना सिर झुक दिया. वामन भगवान ने उनके सिर पर पैर रखकर उन्हें पाताल भेज दिया. So Mahabali showed his head to place his third step. There is no any place to put his third step. That's why Mahabali showed his head to place his third step. And वामन भगवान ने उनके सिर पर पैर रखकर उन्हें पाताल भेज दिया. वामन विष्णु pushed Mahabali into netherworld. Netherworld मतलब पाताल. Okay. Then all of you take next page number 19. महाबली को अपनी प्रजा से बहुत स्नेह था और उनकी प्रजा भी उनसे बहुत स्नेह रखती थी. इसलिए भगवान विष्णु ने महाबली को वरदान दिया कि वह अपनी प्रजा से वर्ष में एक बार अवश्य मिल सकेंगे. अतः जिस दिन महाबली अपनी प्रजा से मिलने केरल आते हैं, वही दिन ओणम के रूप में मनाया जाता है. सो महाबली को अपनी प्रजा से बहुत स्नेह था. महाबली loved his subject very much and the people also love him very much. Then इसलिए भगवान विष्णु ने महाबली को वरदान दिया कि वह अपनी प्रजा से वर्ष में एक बार अवश्य मिल सकेंगे. So by seeing this, Lord Vishnu gave a gift to Mahabali. What was it? It was an opportunity to see his subject one day. That is why that day we are celebrating Onam. Which day the Mahabali is coming to see his people. On that day we are celebrating Onam. That is our belief. We are believing this story. दिन ओणम के रूप में मनाए जाते हैं. अतः जिस दिन महाबली अपनी प्रजा से मिलने केरल आते हैं, वही दिन ओणम के रूप में मनाया जाता है. दिस इज द स्टोरी बिहाइंड ऑफ ओणम एंड वी आर बिलीविंग दिस स्टोरी. ओके चिल्ड्रन. देन धनुष यह सुनकर बोला, अच्छा तो आज हमारे राजा हमसे मिलने आते हैं, इसलिए इतने स्वादिष्ट पकवान बनाए जाते हैं. Then by hearing all these things, Dhanush asked to his grandfather, oh, then today our Raja, our King Mahabali will come to see us. So that's why we have made such good sweets, such good delicious food. Then Dadaji ne kaha, yeah, we will conduct lots of events in connection with the Onam, like floral carpet and Pulikkali, then Tiruvadira, then what? Floral carpet, Pulikkali, Tiruvadira Kali, then boat race also. Okay. दादाजी ने कहा, हाँ अब चलो हम नौका दौड़ देखने चलते हैं. Then दादाजी told to Dhanush, okay, that's about this Onam. So we can go to see the नौका दौड़ मतलब बोट रेस देखने चलते हैं. हाँ दादाजी, नौका दौड़ देखना मुझे बहुत पसंद है, धनुष ने कहा. Then Dhanush told, yes दादाजी, I also like to see boat race, so we can go. Okay children, so every day I am telling, end of the class you have to read the lesson. Every lesson you have to read at least 5 times. Okay, then only you are able to read it very clear. So this lesson full you have to read 3 times. And the new words you can write and study. If you are feeling very difficulty to read any words, you can read that more time, and if you need, you can write and study also. Okay, the notes and textbook exercise I will give in the next class. Okay children, we can wind up the class. Dhanyawad bachcho.